To erase your iPhone completely, like a factory reset, scroll down to General, and then scroll to the bottom of the screen. It says transfer or reset iPhone. Tap that, and then you're going to tap Erase all content and settings. So I'm erasing an old iPhone because I'm going to send it back to Apple. But if I were going to sell it or give it to a relative, I'd do the same thing. And basically it says erasing will sign out of your Apple ID and remove all of your personal data, so this phone can be safely traded in or given away. So I'm going to continue. It's asking for the passcode. I'm going to change this passcode, by the way. Then I have to give the password for this particular device. So I've entered the password, and I'm going to select the option that says Erase iPhone. So it's giving me a message about iCloud messages not matching up. I pressed OK, and it's going to go through the process of erasing this.